Okay, hello, thanks for watching, much appreciated. Today we're going to be making pancakes. These will be different because they are gluten-free pancakes. My wife has been diagnosed with having celiac, so that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be using a batter mix. It's gluten-free, because we've tried to make gluten-free pancakes following recipes in books that we've found, and to be quite honest with you, the taste hasn't been right, the texture hasn't been right, the bins enjoyed them. So I've been looking around for different batter mixes just to make the pancakes, and I've come across this one. I'll put my glasses on. Now I've come across this, had a look online and found this. It is an American company. Now if you've used that before, it's bobsredmill. If you've used that, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about it. And if you haven't heard of it and want to try it, well, there it is. I haven't been able to find this one on Amazon, not in the UK. I have found other flours that he does do, so I might give them a go as well for making other pastries and cakes. And so we're going to have a go at making these. So I'll show you what we're using. So to make these, we've got 1 beaten egg, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 3/4 of a cup of milk, or 180 mils, or 6 fluid ounces. That's the batter flour. That is 1 cup, or 125 grams, or 4 ounces. Right, so we'll put the flour in. Make a well. Put the rest in. In goes the milk. The egg in. I'll pour the melted butter in. I'll give that a bit of a beat. Alright, I've put all the ingredients in one bowl. I've given it a good mix, and this will make about 8 pancakes. It's got quite a thick consistency, but what you can do is add a little bit more milk to it if you wanted to make your crepes. As I say, this will make about 8 pancakes. Use about that much in the ladle. Right, so I've got the pan nice and hot. Go over here. Okay, so I've got my pan nice and hot. Just a quick squirt with oil. Use roughly about a ladle spoon. I like to just and we'll just let that cook away until we start to see the bubbles come through. Then that side will be done, then we turn them over. Now just to talk quickly about these, as I say, this is bobsredmill pancake mix from America. On their website they do lots of different flours, which I'm really impressed with. I have bought a couple of other flours from the company. I sent away from them, and I was really impressed in how quickly they delivered them from America. I ordered them on the Sunday and they arrived here by the Thursday, which I was really impressed with, as I say, because they did say it would take 10 to 12 days delivery, but that was only 4 days. So I was really impressed with that. So we'll see how these come out. We'll say we're just waiting for the bubbles to come through. Just loosen this up. There we go. I'm not going to flip it. I can do, but I'm not going to do that. These have got a nice spongy feel to them straight away as well. So from what I can see, they're starting to look like a Scotch pancake or an American pancake. And I would imagine the proof's going to be in the eating. And we'll see how these come out. Nearly done. I would say that's cooked. There we go. One Scotch pancake. Here's the pancake we just cooked. Just show you the texture of it inside. Looks lovely and fluffy, as you would imagine. It's picking it up all right. Just give them a try. Now the flavour to me is bang on. These are a lovely pancake. I can't really tell much difference between using this or normal pancakes. The taste is almost exactly the same. These have a slightly sweet taste to them because I think they use sweetened rice flour. Now with these you can put your chocolate chips in these. You can put some cinnamon in if you want, or have them as they are and have them with what you want. But also with this mixture you can make waffles as well. You just add 2 eggs to it and you can make, I think, 2 or 3 waffles out of the mixture. But on the whole, I'll say, to me, on taste, I'll give them a 10 straight away, because they do taste like a pancake. And there's no difference between that with the gluten in. So these, I think, will really please my wife. They're really bang on. They're nice. Nice and fluffy. And they don't go claggy in your mouth either, because that's what we've found with some other pancake mixes. The texture's all wrong and they can go a bit claggy in your mouth and ball up, or just go to a paste. But with these, no, you get the texture and a very similar taste to a pancake. So it's 10 out of 10 for these. Oh, another piece. Very nice. So I'm going to crack on and make the rest of them, and then I'll get back to you when I've done them and show you them. Right, I'm just cooking off the last one now. Right, for the sharp-eyed people out there, you can see I've only got 6 here. That's because my wife has been through and she's pinched another one. That's why there's only 6, so I haven't been fibbing and telling lies that it only makes 6 or 7. It does make 8. And as you can see, they're lovely and fluffy, as a pancake should be. And they're lovely and moist as well. So that's your pancakes, using Bob's Red Mill pancake mix. Right, so that's nearly it for this video. As I say, I've got 6 made here. So I'm not sponsored by these, by any way. But if you have tried these, let us know what you think of them. Leave a comment below. Or if there's other brands that you do use or have used. So that's it for this video. If this is the type of video that you do like, well, give it a thumbs up. But also, if you're interested, please follow. It's free. Doesn't cost anything. And you'll see me cook other things, and you'll see the wife pinch other things. So until the next time, see you for now.